What is up, YouTube? I'm Tony with that username. Today we're going to be changing inner tube on a tire. I'm going to teach you basics of it. So with that being said, let's dive in. So if you want to swing around over here, let's go do this. This is the inner tube. Goes in my tire for my pressure washer here. As you can tell, it's flat. It doesn't hold air. Well, it holds air, but not properly. So I'm going to just show you the basics. This can work for bike tires, tractor tires, whatever type of tire that has an inner tube. This is just the basic. I'm going to show you how to remove part of the tire, swap inner tubes, put it in, pump it up, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, two tools you're going to need. 2 flathead screwdrivers. I'm going to go ahead, stick it in. As you can tell, the tire is deflated all the way. Take it, pry it out. You have that one held right there, and you're going to go ahead and take the other screwdriver. Just a little bit further distance and pop it out, and keep doing the same thing. So I'll go ahead and keep doing this real quick. You can tell the tire is slowly working its way off. So, tire is now detached. Now you can go ahead, and this one has a 90-degree valve stem in it, so I had to take it out of this little notch right here. So, grab the valve stem. Let's go ahead and just work it out slowly. Pulling it out, and boom. So that is out. Issue right here, valve stem. I let it run too low. Well, actually, I just bought the power washer, and I let it run too low. I kept rolling around, and it ended up eventually cutting the stem right off. So now it no longer holds air. Take the old one, toss it aside, remove the cap, set that aside, and you're going to go ahead and insert this into your tire now. So I'll do is lift this up, go ahead, start tucking it in. No worries about where it lands, you just want to make sure that it's covering the circumference of the wheel, like so. Boom. Inner tube is in. Now, what you're going to try to do is locate your valve stem. Mine is right here. Instead of trying to rotate the inner tube and rotate the wheel itself, insert it in my little valve stem hole like so. And now, all you got to do is apply pressure slowly around the wheel. You might need to get a screwdriver to start pulling it back in. So you'll tuck it underneath the tire, pull it over your rim. Make sure you're not pinching your inner tube that is in there that you just put in, or you're going to have another hole. Like that. Work its way on there. Slowly getting there. Oh. So with a little finagling, it took me a couple more minutes than anticipated. Inner tube in. Now you just go ahead and pump it up real quick. Want to slowly add air to it, a little bit at a time. Kind of adjust it so the inner tube doesn't like fold over each other while it's in there. And there you go. That is how you install an inner tube on a tire. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you want any other helpful videos, remember, comment in the section below. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon and subscribe for later videos. And also, this coming up weekend on Saturdays, 8 p.m. Standard Eastern Time, we're going to be doing a live stream on PS4 for Rainbow Six Siege. So if you guys have any other questions like that, or if you just want to watch this game, or you want to hop in and around, just go ahead and you know, comment your gamer ID, and we'll go ahead and invite you. Play a couple rounds, have some fun. Thanks again, guys. Catch you later.